Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I hope that you have watched the previous lesson and you have revised the things that you have learned. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn to say which. We ask a question and we say which color, which person, which subject. So the word which. In English it is which and in Urdu कौन सा कौन सा कौन सा which and in Urdu it is कौन सा. Then in English we say everyone everyone and in Urdu it is सारे सारे or सब सब everyone सारे or सब. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say which and in Urdu कौन सा. Then in English we say everyone and in Urdu सारे or sab. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's learn the color brown in Urdu. How to say brown in Urdu? In English it is brown and in Urdu bhura. Bhura. Brown, bhura. Alright? Now let's learn some sentences. We have already learned how are you in Urdu. So in English we ask and say how are you? In Urdu it is आपका क्या हाल है? आपका क्या हाल है? Then we ask how is mom? In English we ask how is mom? And in Urdu अम्मी का क्या हाल है? अम्मी का क्या हाल है? Remember mom in Urdu अम्मी. Then we say how is dad? And in Urdu it is अब्बू का क्या हाल है? अब्बू का क्या हाल है? Remember dad in Urdu अब्बू. So in the same way, whomever you want to ask about, you can just replace mom or dad with that person's name. Or it could be, you can say, how is friend, how is Ali, how is Sarah, right? So in Urdu, it's going to be सारा का क्या हाल है, अली का क्या हाल है, दोस्त का क्या हाल है. All right? Then we say, how is everyone? How is everyone or how are all? In Urdu it is सब का क्या हाल है? सब का क्या हाल है? Remember everyone is sab in Urdu and all is also sab in Urdu. So if we ask how is everyone? In Urdu it is सब का क्या हाल है? Let's repeat these sentences one more time. How are you? In English and in Urdu आपका क्या हाल है? Then in English how is mom? And in Urdu अम्मी का क्या हाल है? Then in English how is dad? And in Urdu अब्बू का क्या हाल है? Then in English how is everyone or how are all? And in Urdu it is सबका क्या हाल है? सबका क्या हाल है? Repeat and practice, alright? Okay, so see you again. फिर मिलेंगे. This is the end of our today's lesson I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, watch the video as many times as you can and repeat and revise, alright? Till next lesson, take care. Allah Hafiz.